Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga daw ngayon niya kami kaning Makabebe, Pampanga.
Yes.
Makatula po uling excited kami. Bakit kaya kayo nung nanitang resort na pintalan mi ngayon? So apinining Casa Palmera Resorts and Events Place, ne?
Yes. So ini is located along Makabebe, Masantol Road.
Wow.
Akit siya pong akit once na munta kayo po Makabebe.
Abayan nyo kami po, bakit nilang po rin ang eganaga ng amenities na kayo. Exciting yun, tara!
So tara, let's go!
As soon as you enter, muna mundasan ditang karelang balang public pool area.
Yes, the public pool area do.
Mhm.
It's open for walk-in
Yes.
or pwede ka rin magpa-reserve. Kung day swim ka mo, pwede ka rin gani.
So atin lang stone cottages, atin lang mo naman wood cottages. Cable kitang right side which is impunta lang tamo ngayon apin dire ng Cabanas. At you can itang balamong event center do. So ditang cottages da kani are 2,500 pesos only.
Couch la din kaya kayong villas.
Magaling yeah. Lentala. So nung interested kayong mag-event kayo ni guys, the entire area is can be rented 30,000 pesos. Unlimited number of kinayanta heads. Kasi siping na guys, sining karelang bala mo air-conditioned room na event center. At inyong roof shade, ring Cabanas tamo kayo ni our couch. So ining lugar ay ninong rin tamo, apining karelang public pool area. It's a medium size pool mga nyan for a public pool.
So as low as 200 pesos, pwede na ka mag-swimming Kenny. And I enjoy mo ng amenities.
Wow, yan. Like, tita mga bena kaya to. Punta ng tala pa rin karelang villas. So right now, they have like 4 villas and interesting na lamang kamuran. Karelang tala. Muna tayong linawe ka rin karelang villa, isining Villa 1. Actually kasi pinili itong Villa 2.
Yes, actually pares lang naman sure.
Oo.
Yung pinagkaiba dam is itong pool area do.
Full area da. So lamin tala pa mo kayong kilub, kay bat, pakmin kayong luwal na. So ding Villa 1 ang pong Villa 2 rented, it's 15,000 pesos at yung maximum capacity of 15 persons. Ngayon nung mag-exceed ka kanita, bayaran mo 100 pesos per head. So kining kilub, ating kang kusina, ating kang duwang kwarto keto, huge living area ngayon, pwede ka pang magstay kayo niya. Parang ako ining final 2 villa na punta lang tamo, which is Villa 3 and 4 is yung pinaka-exciting.
Yes, something new and something modern na din design do.
Actually, grabe. Atin niya sigurong kaya ni like 400 square meters. Kada villa, this is what you will have, ne? Atin bala mong alfresco na living area. Kibat kayong babo, atin tamo rooms which can accommodate up until
25 packs.
25 persons mga yan.
At the same time, atin tamo rin balcony.
Tara, manik tamo lawin tayo pa. So kining balcony da guys, overlooking niya ining ba namong lake da kining Makabebe. Sabi da dati yung palayan ni oning ing ka-excite ko kini guys is the place. Ing ambience mga nyan na super romantic if I may say. At yung tamo kining kilub na ning Villa 3 and ining kwarto nga ining Pera Maragol, I think it can accommodate like 15 to 20 persons. At yung pametong kwarto, which is up until 5 to 6 persons, mga yun pwede nang accommodate. So, just to let you know guys, yung difference na ning Villa 3 and Villa 4. 23,000 niya po yung Villa 4, 25,000 niya yung Villa 3. Yung difference na guys na is itang overlooking kesa. Pero the rest, if you wanna save, 2,000 pesos, kunin yung Villa 4. Alright, so we stayed for a while kaya pong resort. Baka ta akit mipin nung makananuya yung itsura ng bingin. Ano? I may say,
Sobra santing, cool, kumbaga modernized villas la din.
yeah, mo talaga expect na atin ng tikanini kayo ni Makabebe.
Yes.
Kumbaga, kudos mo naman kayong Makabebe. Walang darakal nararing ang tikanining establishments kayo. So, if you're interested to know more about Casa Palmeras, make sure to contact the number we're gonna provide below and message them on their fan page. Ito, dakal salamat po kayong pamanalbeng kaya kaming vlog until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Bye guys!